So guys, welcome to another episode of SideHustleGarage. It's not a full feature today. Today is another auto, or we like to do a review on, we do sell a lot of parts, accessories, not spares. We do get a lot of messages also asking for spares. Bang, is er nie 'n bonnet vir my nie? Bang, is er nie 'n fender vir my sit ek of no, we don't do bumpers, fenders or anything like that. Only car accessories. I'll leave a link to our catalog. What you see in the catalog is all we sell, nothing else. Still small fry. We're gonna get there when we have to. We're gonna actually get to the point where we can accommodate those guys that do need spares or bigger parts. Don't have enough space to store all of that. Nonetheless, today's video, I'd like to do a review on this here, the 7x6" sealed LED headlamp. Headlamp? They call it a lamp? That sounds super old school, but nonetheless, it is sealed. It has different LEDs in it. In it you have your dims, your brights. I think America they call it the low beams and the high beams. You also have your parks and also your indicators built in. No, the indicators doesn't work separate. This is your right side and then you have your left side. This two you will see later on in the video, both come on at the same time, but because it's on the right hand side, yeah. I also have a Champaki which uses these 7x6". There's your Nissan 1 tonner that uses this, the old healights, they call it the heaps. Ford Courier, old KB Isuzus, the old Ford Rangers, the box-shaped toy, 200 SX, the old pop-up Honda, to name a few. I've even seen it in some trucks as well, believe it or not. So it is quite bright, yeah. It is an LED bulb, so it has limited lifespan. It doesn't say in the box how many hours, but I've got mine in for 2 years now, and it's my daily runner. It is fairly cheap. I've seen guys selling them for like 4.7. Yep, that is correct. We sell them 1,200 at this moment in time. The prices do fluctuate depending on the currency of the rand. These are imported lights, it's not manufactured locally. It does come with a .SAE stamp. It's not waterproof. There has been guys that purchase these for their off-roaders, but then they do the trail thing where the car, the buck is submerged in the water and then the water goes through. It's splash proof. Then what I normally do is what I did on mine, and which I would recommend for you guys. The casing is metal. Casing is metal, but the front cover is plastic. So it is subjected to wear and tear, you know, with dust and that sort of thing, like stone chips. So what I done with mine, I covered it with Laminix. No, you can use I use a little darker shade. It just looks cool, but obviously impedes the light itself. So I would recommend just clear see-through Laminix or like a VPS, like a cover, just to protect it, give it a protective layer. And yeah, I'm going to basically show you guys how to connect it. This here is the H4 plug. Whenever you see 3 points like this, it's H4. That's a H4, like a H4 bulb. Like, yeah, so if you're supposed to have the existing harness, like the female that plugs, that connects to this part over here. So yeah, you guys can see it. So I will be showing you guys how to install it. Oh, and also that's a 7x6". And then we have the universal 7" as well. Very popular. This here is exactly the same thing. Same connectors. Also, it's a spectral plastic. This one is plastic. Also seal beam unit. With halo. It was very popular. City Golf Altus takes these. Ford Escort, the Mark II, the round light grill, obviously the Mark I Escort, Ford Cortina, the old Mark I Ford Cortinas, you know, MK2, MK3. I still have to do with the MK3 Cortina as well. It does not fit your BMW. BMW uses 5". This is 7". You know? BMW uses the 5-inch. That's like the same size as the Golf inner headlights, like with the brights normally connected. Also very versatile. Same price, 1,200. That is the price now. I don't know what's the date of the uploads. I think it's like July the 11th, 2021. Yes. Yo, difficult time, guys. But nonetheless, connects exactly the same. We're gonna hook this up to the back as well. Unfortunately, I cannot fit it because my grill does not accommodate that, as you guys can see there. I use the 7x6-inch, but fitment is fairly simple. Fitment to city golf, that's a different thing though. Anybody have a spare set of city golf headlights that you guys can donate, and I can show you guys, do a video how to install it. You need you see it has no mounting brackets, so you need mounting brackets so it fits in there. Mini Cooper fits Mini Cooper as well. Beetle, however, same scenario as the city golf. You need the existing brackets. So what we do, say for instance this was your standard headlight, we would just because normally there would be rust inside. That's why you guys would always be looking to replace it. So you just knock the glass out and you can basically flex this inside and have like a cover plate, keep it in place. Again, the same thing, I would recommend like a protective layer film or like your laminates for exact same thing. So yeah, let's get to the fitment part. Check out quick and easy. So as you guys can see, I already have a set fitted. Just imagine these were standards because it's exactly the same. So I'm going to show you guys quickly how to loosen it. Obviously, first off, we'll start by removing the grill. Normally there's clips here. I already removed it. So you just remove the grill like that. Yeah, you remove your grill. And ta-da! If you guys want to see anything pertaining to this here build, do leave a comment down below and I will be explaining to you guys how we got to this stage here, from the standard 1400 with a carburetor to what you see there. So as you guys can see, grill is removed, and now all you need is a star screwdriver. You can use a standard star screwdriver. You see here's a trim plate bracket, actually keeping the light, as I said, the laminates, and that is what I've used here. So all you do is you loosen these 6 screws. 6. No, I lie. Yeah, it's 4 screws, and these 2 on the side. That is to adjust the tilt of the light. Hence why I need the mounting bracket. Okay. Like I said, just imagine this here is your standard, listen, 1400 universal 7x6-inch headlight. We do sell the halos for this, by the way, as well, right? So that's the 2 screws here on top. In real time, I'm not going to even fast forward this part because it's so quick, so simple. Oh, shyster. That one is already out, and then you just take it back out like that. Yeah, and then you disconnect it. And ta-da! That will be your standard headlight. And after you remove it, it will look like that. Okay. Go on to the wiring part. The lamp. Okay, cool. Like I said, first thing first, this here is a H4 plug. Plug and play. So your car would have a corresponding plug for this. So this is straight up, plug and play. So if you plug that in, let's see, Noor, switch it on. That is just, you put it on the dumps quickly. Yeah, that is, there's your dumps. Like you guys can see, let's just focus, there we go. That's this part, that's your low beams or your dumps. Right? Now you just focus a bit. You guys can see that there is the brights. Ah, there we go. But now what's missing is the parks, which everybody's asking me about. So you have, okay, cool. Let's go to the wiring of the, is it af, Noor? Just see how. Okay, cool, so we got that connected. Now comes a big question, these 2 wires, what are these for? Okay, so the red is going to be your park, no? And the orange is going to be your indicator, which is built in here. We'll get to that in a bit. So what I did was the park. There's a park wire that's normally connected to your standard bulb, or standard headlamp. There will be a small little bulb at the bottom. You'll also have parks coming to the bottom there, right? So all vehicles have park bulbs. So what you do, you just take a live from that park. Now you don't disconnect it. Wherever your park is, you can run it from that one as well, or you tee it off, and you can just connect it like that. There, right? So H4 connected, park connected. Let's test it out, Noor. Switch on quickly. So there you go. So there you guys can see I have my dims and my parks is on. Brights, full splendor. So now all your lights is actually shining. No, that's simple. The way my light is connected, my parks comes on with my dims and my brights. Or you can, most cars I have it running separately, but the way I wired it was my parks comes on with all the others. So you can have the parks running separately as well. The way my switch is connected, everything runs together. So yeah. Okay, on to the indicators. Switch them off. And the yellow, like I said, there is your yellow wire, which is your indicator. Now, I just want to show you guys something here. See, there's my indicator on my fender. You don't need to remove it, don't disconnect it. Just run another wire from that. And so this, the headlight, and the park's light is running together. Just a live, not a earth, no? So only one wire, just the live. I repeat, just the live, not everything, and don't disconnect it. So you just connect from that park in the fender. Disconnect it. Right, there we go. So all the wires is connected. Let's see now, Noor. Switch on. You just wait till it focuses. Put on your indicator to the left quickly. So basically what happens is it switches between your park and your indicator. When the indicator comes on, the park switches off. So yeah, here you guys go. Hope that answers the question. Brights and indicators, here we go. So there you guys can see. We'll do a video for you guys to see what it look like in the evening, but I hope that covers the indicator part and wiring. Now with a 7-inch, exact same thing. So we'll connect this part here. Already has the lights on. Yeah. So brights on. Here we go. So the smaller one is your dim and the bigger one is your bright. Right. And then yeah, let's see, just leave it on. I'm simply gonna connect it just like this. Come now. The points of the lugs is actually different on these, but I mean that's simple. You guys can just switch it up. There's the halo. As you guys can see, the halo. Oh. And just do that again. There is the halo part. And now for the indicator. We'll switch on the indicator quickly. The left. Left. Cool, eh? So there you guys go. No? On to the fitment. Shukran all. So fitment. I'll just reconnect my lights. That is my park. That is my indicator. My H4. Switch my off now. Okay, cool. I'll take a trim plate. Where's my screws? Gewoon die goed te vullen, wow bro. In. Let's do the bottom one. Oh my god. I used to be so flexible. Kijk nou. Oh, dat dom. Nee bro. Die knieën alles schieten. If you guys want to see anything else, I can't cover everything, but this, I mean, this is for our customers. We are selling it. So, actually, these are the screws. Okay, I'm not gonna still worry about that screws now. Just want to show you guys. That's how you fit it. You know? You guys happy now? Looks freak ugly without the grill. Okay, cool. On to the cinematics. Courtesy of Noor. Noor the light. Please leave a like and share. You can leave a comment and yeah, subscribe and click on the notification bell as well. No, shout. Thanks guys.